4 weeks after a robotic hip.
I mean, as far as I know,
Wow.
it's perfectly normal. I mean,
Wow.
I don't really.
Can you remember the difference in sort of recovery from those two?
Yeah, I think to me, when I stopped using the stick, and I think after well, first of all, I had crutches for
Yeah.
several days, maybe even a week, with
Yeah.
the resurfacing, and then I think I had the stick for about a month, about 4 weeks. Whereas
Yeah.
with this, I was stopping using it after 2 weeks.
Wow.
So it was.
So 4 weeks ahead.
Yeah, well, it was almost half.
So it's twice the
time of
speed.
recovery,
Yeah.
yeah.
And you're walking over a mile.
Yeah, now,
Yeah.
yes.
You feel
definitely, with the
stable
dog,
and confident
daily.
you're driving.
Yeah.
You made an excellent recovery then.
Yeah.
Your radiographs look
Very
good.
happy.
How do you feel that your recovery has been quicker than you had thought, or you didn't know what
Well,
to
you
think?
sort of promised it would be
Yeah.
minimally invasive.
Yeah,
But,
minimally invasive.
Yeah, I mean, I got no. I didn't feel I got any setbacks. It progressed daily. I felt improvements. Yeah, it was a bit quicker than I thought.
Oh, well done, well done.
So
Yeah, you've done well. It will get stronger and stronger now.
Yeah, yeah.
And the components take about 6 weeks to bond, so they're pretty much bonded now.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
I mean, you're not doing excessive sort of running
Yeah.
or anything, so.